Well, I thought it was about time to share a little video with you because I haven't done this for some time. Do you want to join me down here? No? Okay. You can. And our world is just a little bit kind of off kilter at this moment, at least in my world. And so I look for things that can help to bring me back to center, to help me not to hold my breath, to help me to be in the moment. And this is just a very simple exercise to hopefully offer you all of those things. And we're going to be working with the word HAMSA, H-A-M-S-A. And this is one of the translations, Sanskrit translations for recognizing our breath. And so as we celebrate the healing power of our breath, when we get anxious or angry, or anxious and angry, one of the first things that we do is tend to hold the breath. And as if this could stop what's unfolding, all it really does is cause even greater inner tumult. So this is an exercise we can do here together, as well as something to keep handy, so to speak, when you are feeling stressed or fearful, or as if the ground is moving underneath your feet. So let us begin simply by becoming aware of this very moment in time. And then we're going to place both palms on our heart space as we prepare to go into the simple healing sound of the breath. But first, just become aware of the beating, the beautiful beating under your hands. And then we'll repeat the sound of the breath. HAMSA, 3 times. HAMSA, HAMSA. And now bring all of your fingertips and thumb tips together in a little pyramid with the tips of the thumbs resting at the heart space. 3 times, HAMSA, 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 HAMSA. And now we're going to go fingertip to fingertip, starting with the thumb and index finger. HAMSA, 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 HAMSA. And now back the other way. HAMSA, HAMSA, HAMSA. Now all fingertips together. HAMSA. Palms on heart. HAMSA. And now just let your hands rest at the heart space as we affirm the following. I breathe in calm. I breathe out and relax. I breathe in the positive. I breathe out the negative. I breathe in love. I breathe out love. HAMSA. Blessings to you for a beautiful day and beyond. From me and Sukanya, who's sleeping on the back of the couch.